Well, hello everyone. My name is Clint Warbington. I'm a business communication professional, and I'd like to give you a quick video tutorial on proper APA formatting. So starting right here with our very own Vector Virtual Communication Lab, we can come up to the search page, type in APA. Right away, you'll see that there is a APA student paper template. Now we can see here the four main criteria for proper APA 7th generation formatting guidelines. Got 8.5 by 11-inch paper, 1-inch margins on all sides, double spaced throughout the entire paper, and page numbers. And you want those page numbers on every page. Now, APA does recommend many different formats. However, Times New Roman 12-point font is typically the go-to. So if we see here, we've got our title page that's 4 spaces down with our title and a blank space, our name, university, course number, course name, our instructor, and the date that the paper is due. Moving on to the body, we've got our paragraphs. You might be asking, well, what are these parentheses for? Well, that's our in-text citation. So here we've got the organization, and in this example, we have the authors. Now it's important to cite the references and the sources that you use within your paper, and to also reference them back on the last page, which is the reference page. And we'll come back to this and I'll show you a quick way that you can make these nice nifty references here within your paper. So a good place to get started if you're a Windows user is Microsoft Word. And I do know that Apple or Mac users that you can use Pages as well. If you come for a new paper and type in APA, you'll see that you have templates available for you. So we'll go ahead and select Student. You can see here that we have a properly formatted template to go ahead and begin with. Looks just like our sample paper. You will note, however, that the reference page looks a bit different, and then also there's no page numbers. So if you are going to use this example for your paper to get started, please make sure that you use page numbers and potentially doing references a different way, which I'll show you here. So let's say that we, for example, want to research the best pizza in the world. I've got an article here from Forbes magazine. We can see that we have an author and a date. You could read through this article, reference it in your paper. Now that you've used it and referenced it in your paper, and you want to create an APA reference for this, you can Google a citation generator. There are many out there. I personally like Quillbot. And you would just copy and paste that web page and put it in here and click Cite. And then you can see here that it creates a properly APA formatted 7th edition reference for you. You can either export these if you put multiples in your Microsoft Word report, or you can just copy and paste as well using the copy function. They also provide the parenthetical reference and citations here for your in-text citation, and gives you some more options if you need it. So this is just a quick reference to get started with your first APA paper. If your instructor has told you a very specific way that they want your paper to be written, then obviously use that. But I hope you enjoy this guide, and I hope you're able to use it in the future, or maybe for your first APA paper. Thanks for watching.